Hello everyone and welcome back to the 5. Today we got a MacBook tip for you on how to use Control Center and a thing called Stage Manager. The Control Center is located at the top right. It's these on and off buttons, the white and the black ones. If we click on that, it opens up your control panel. Here's where you come to do screen mirroring. Here's where you can set up your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and AirDrop preferences. You can do your display lights and control sound and even play your music. We're going to concentrate today on Stage Manager. So go ahead and click on Stage Manager, and this is what it looks like. So once you click on Stage Manager, it looks like everything from your desktop has disappeared. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to organize your desktop a little better by opening a document. And when you minimize it, it's going to pop up on the left side of the screen. So we can have several different documents, pages, numbers, Keynote, Safari, Calendar. You can have all these things minimized, and they're going to organize themselves over here. If you add an extra page document or an extra document of any kind, you'll see that it will layer. To access these documents, we can click on the actual icon, and you can just see the 2-page documents there as well. If you're working on a project and you have maybe you got a numbers document and a page document you want, you can drag that over the top, click on the side, and it will group the 2 things that you're working on together. So as you're working in Stage Manager, you might discover that, I need a document out of one of my folders. If you click anywhere in your desktop, those folders will come back. You can find that document that you were looking for, open it, minimize it, and again, it's going to be on that left side of your computer. At any point that you would like to exit Stage Manager, just go back to Control Center, click on Stage Manager, and then your documents will minimize to the bottom of your dock as well. And lastly, don't forget, under Settings, if you ever want to add more to your Control Center, you have the ability to add things like accessibility shortcuts. Maybe you want your battery to show up in Control Center. So now the battery shows up there. So don't forget about that as well. Hope that helps. Have a great day.